Potential. What a fucking scam. It's the participation trophy the world gives you for doing absolutely nothing. You've been carrying this future version of yourself around like a holy relic, successful, aesthetic, finally figured out. But look at your screen time. Look at the blue light burning into your eyes. You're not a main character in training. You're just a spectator, watching a gray bar load, 0%. I know why you're still here. Because it feels like work. But it isn't. It's just another hit of dopamine, keeping the ghost alive. Your brain is incredible at lying to you. It's a coward's survival kit. It figured out how to give you the reward without the effort. When you imagine yourself winning, your brain pays you immediately. So why sweat in reality when the hallucination feels this efficient? Potential is a safety blanket made of lead. It keeps you warm and keeps you pinned to the floor. You stay quiet in rooms, acting mysterious, thinking you're the smartest one there. Not because of what you've done, but because of what you could do. Your gallery is a cemetery. Screenshots of lives you're never going to live. Bookmarks for a someday that isn't scheduled. You think you're saving things for later. You're not. You're ghosting your own life. Potential doesn't expire. It rots. And that version of you, the one you could be, is feeding on your present, just to survive in an imaginary future. That's not hope. That's debt. You're waiting for a spark. It's not coming. It's not in the code. You don't have time. You only have reality. Clumsy, awkward, mid, but solid. Stop pretending you're a bird. Birds actually fly. You just watch videos of flying. There is no special version of you waiting in the future. There's just this screen, this silence, and the fact that nothing is happening. Kill the ghost. Not because it's inspiring, but because it's boring. Go be bad at things. Go be cringe. Go be real. That's still better than being a masterpiece that never existed. I'm closing this tab now. Go find the next hit. Sleep well with your ghost.